Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing a holiday collection video for you guys today. This is the 10 items I got at Ulta. They are for $5, normally ranging anywhere from $1 to $2.99 average. So what I picked up for you guys today is this eyeliner. This runs for $2.99. So does this eyeshadow palette. Now I'm going to zoom the camera really close to my eye and show you, are these worth the money or not? 10 for 10? I mean, 5 for 5? Same thing, 5 for 5. You have to get 5 items to get them to be all $1. I got these little scented wipes, a bath balm, so I guess you guys are gonna see me in the bathtub. TMI, but true. This very, very cool kind of like lip gloss with 4 different colors in it. This ranges for $2.99. I grabbed all 4 scented lip, what is this, like chapsticks? It says lip balm, all 4 of them. I don't know if these have flavors or not. And the last one on the list is this lip gloss, which is a beautiful color. So I'm gonna go ahead and just jump straight to that video and show you, are they worth it or not? I don't know. Good stocking stuffers though, right? Okay, so let's see if these little face and body wipes actually remove makeup. You guys can see I'm like full glam right here. It is removing. You guys can see right there. I feel like I'm more tugging on my face than anything. So I'm gonna say this is probably better for your body. Not so much for your face. Maybe if your face has some dirt or something on it, but not for removing makeup. Hey guys, so I'm in my bathtub here. I'm going to be reviewing this fizzer, this shower fizzer. Let's go ahead and open this up and see whether it's good or not. It looks like a chlorine tablet. Smells really good though. Okay, so here's the test. We got it right here. Now let's go ahead and put it in the water and see if it's fizzy. Can you see? It just starts to dissolve in your hand. You guys can see this. Smells really good. So it's not doing anything. Obviously it has dissolved somewhat, but isn't this supposed to be a fizzy type of thing? But will it leave my skin feeling soft? I'll let you guys know in a bit. Hey guys, so getting out of the shower, honestly, I feel like my skin's a little bit irritated or at least itchy. So I'm actually gonna give this product a thumbs down. It didn't even fizz. Okay guys, it's time to test out the lip glosses, I believe. Actually, these are called lip balms. Let's start with the green one. This is in Vanilla Bean. It smells good. It's not like overwhelmingly vanilla-y. How does it feel? What the heck is this? Okay, this is ridiculous. Let's go ahead and wipe off all those edges that are falling off and try it again. Okay, let's push it up. And much better. It's really, I mean, you can smell the vanilla. It's not really strong. And it, okay, I pushed it up. You see that? And it does not go back down. Does it taste like anything? No. Let's just hope that it was the Vanilla Bean that did that and not all of them. So let's go ahead and push this up a little and try the same thing. What in the world? So this one I'm excited to try. So you can see it starts with the pink, and then once you've used the pink, it will go to these different shades. This is the lip gloss. Let's go ahead and try this. It's like, you see that? It's like, oh, gross. Like the texture or the consistency of this is like a Vaseline jelly. Now this one I'm excited because I think this is a beautiful color, but once again, this is a lip gloss. Let's go ahead and cross our fingers. We at least get one hit with the lip glosses. So I'm looking close up in the mirror and I'm like, I don't know if you guys can see this, but the product looks like it goes outwards towards the edges, towards the edge of your lip, and it leaves the middle blank. Ugh. So let's go ahead and just try it onto the eye and see if this is good. Does it tug too much? Does it not? No. You see how much I'm actually pulling on my eye? So when I do this, you guys can see the wrinkles that it will create. So I'm gonna pass on this eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this Satin Peach in the palette and put it throughout my crease. Okay, so let's see if it actually has any pigment.
And where is the color?
I don't see anything. What the heck? Going in with the dark brown shade. And go with this gold color. I just wanted to show you what it looks like from a distance of the eyeshadows. Honestly, I would say this is a stocking stuffer for a young elementary school girl that wants to play in makeup, like Brenna right here. This is Brenna, so she's gonna get this from me. I was actually super excited to say that these products are all worth it because they're $1 each for a stocking stuffer. But I would honestly say just walk past them and pass on everything, because out of the 10 items that I purchased from them, I'm gonna say they all failed. All of them, not one pass. So do not get any of these products for anyone, even yourself, because I think every single one of them failed. $1, yeah. Normal price is $2.99. You're like, might as well try it. Just don't. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button, little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.